Hi, I'm Constable Jess, and I'm here at YouthLink in the Enbridge Healthy Relationships section. Here in this section, we have students come sit at the table and talk about scenarios that are playing out. These scenarios address healthy or unhealthy ways of dealing with conflict. This specific scenario is called Pass It On, dealing with the question of should somebody forward a photo that might be embarrassing to somebody else. And we're all given cell phones, and sometimes we don't always talk about the rules or the etiquette behind cell phone use. So this is a great conversation starter for you to try at home.
Hey, you have to check out this photo of Emma.
Oh my God, that's hilarious.
I know, right? You should post it online.
Oh, well, maybe we shouldn't? I mean, what if she doesn't want it to be posted? She'd probably be really embarrassed.
Come on. It's funny though. It's just Emma making a stupid face. Have a sense of humor, Jessie.
So in this scenario, we ask the students, is this a healthy relationship? Are these two friends displaying good relationship qualities? And they're not. The one friend is pressuring the other friend to post an image that she doesn't feel comfortable doing. So that's peer pressure, and we talk a lot about that at YouthLink. The other question is, should you post a photo of a friend online without their permission? And photographs can last forever on the internet. They can be circulated even if they're deleted from your account. So a good question to ask yourself is, how would you feel if somebody posted a photo of you online without your permission? If you're not sure, you can ask a safe and trusted adult. That can be someone like your parent, a sibling, a grandparent, a coach, a teacher, or a police officer. Stay tuned for more videos from our Healthy Relationships section.